Parliament, the focus back on the Lokpal bill. The government may table the bill tomorrow. We are being told that the Samajwadi Party will be opposing the Lokpal bill in Parliament, but the NCP will support it. The anti-corruption Lokpal bill was stalled in Rajya Sabha about 2 years ago. Meanwhile, Anna Hazare is on day 4 of his hunger strike in favour of this bill at his village of Ralegaon Siddhi in Maharashtra.
12-day winter session. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kamal Nath this morning sought to squash reports about a plan to curtail the short session and said that the government would take up on priority the anti-corruption Lokpal bill, first in the Rajya Sabha and then in the Lok Sabha. Activist Anna Hazare has given notice to the government that it must introduce the bill within this session and is on an indefinite hunger strike since Tuesday in his village Ralegaon Siddhi in Maharashtra. The government has dismissed media reports that it was considering an early end to the winter session of Parliament.
हमारी प्राथमिकता है कि सदन चले और सदन में जो डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट्स हैं वो पास हों और लोकपाल बिल पास होए। कोई ऐसा फैसला नहीं है कि सदन को जल्दी समाप्त कर दिया जाए।
Bill has been approved by the Select Committee of Rajya Sabha, went to the cabinet, and thereafter the bill has been brought before the Rajya Sabha. We have given notice for taking it for debate and discussion and passing it. The government intention is very clear. But unless until the Parliament functions, we cannot be in a position to pass the bill. Therefore, we appeal to the members of various political parties in the Business Advisory Committee today also that they should allow the bill to be passed in the House. And therefore, I appeal on behalf of the government that Anna Hazare should end his fast because he knows the parliamentary procedure. Because unless until the House comes to order, passing a bill will be very difficult one. Therefore, I appeal to him that the government's sincerity is, the intention is very clear to pass the bill.
Anna Hazare has again started the fast. On this backdrop, we are again giving notice and asking the government to bring in immediately the Lokpal, containing all the unanimously agreed recommendation of the Select Committee, because it was appointed by the House, and House. There is no scope for cabinet to dilute it, but they have diluted it. That's why we want all recommendations to come, if they come.
कि लोकपाल बिल जो है लोकसभा से मंजूर हो गया है और राज्यसभा में गया, वहाँ जो कमेटी है, अब सिलेक्ट कमेटी है, उस सिलेक्ट कमेटी में से 13 ऐसे अमेंडमेंट आ गए हैं, वो भी सरकार ने एक्सेप्ट किए हैं और वो सब करके वहाँ नारायण स्वामी जी जो इस डिपार्टमेंट के प्रमुख है, उन्होंने नोटिस भी दे दिए है कि जल्द से जल्द राज्यसभा में ये बिल ले ले। ये स्टेज पे है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस पक्ष की है कि जल्द से जल्द लोकपाल बिल आना चाहिए। हम एक मजबूत लोकपाल के पक्ष में हैं।
They have passed both the finance bills in the Lok Sabha in a span of 3 minutes, I think. You disposed of 8 hours of discussion in 3 minutes. Now, if finance bills can be passed by voice vote and in a din, we cannot understand why the Lokpal cannot be adopted after we have deliberated it so many times in the House.